There's a mysterious interstellar object hurtling toward our solar system, exciting scientists across the globe. 3 Atlas is moving closer to the sun,
and there's still so much we don't
know. The James Webb Space Telescope has just confirmed something that has shaken the astronomical community to its core. The interstellar object 3I Atlas, already a mysterious traveler from beyond our solar system, has been observed with unprecedented clarity by Webb's instruments, and its trajectory has been pinned down with unsettling certainty. It is not merely passing through the solar system as once thought. The updated data show that it is on a collision course with Mars, a revelation that transforms a rare astronomical curiosity into a monumental cosmic event. The telescope's ability to pierce the cold depths of space with its infrared eyes has given scientists the precision they needed to track 3 Atlas across the dark backdrop of interstellar space. What appeared to be just another passing visitor from the void has instead become a body of immense importance. Its orbit is narrowing, and the gravitational pull of the sun has guided it into a path that intersects with Mars. Unlike earlier speculations, where margins of error left room for doubt, Webb's observations leave almost no ambiguity.
For planetary
The
scientists,
numbers,
this discovery is both terrifying
and models
and
all
exhilarating.
converge on one conclusion:
Mars,
impact.
often considered Earth's
For
ceiling in
planetary
terms of planetary
scientists,
exploration,
this
has been the focus of
discovery is
countless
both
robotic
terrifying and exhilarating.
Its surface,
Mars,
scarred by ancient
often
craters,
considered Earth's
already
sibling
tells a
in
story
terms
of
of
countless
planetary
collisions.
exploration,
across billions
has been
of
the
years.
focus of countless robotic
But this would not be an
missions.
ancient scar
Its surface,
frozen in time.
scarred by
It would be
ancient craters, already tells a story of countless collisions across billions of years. But this would not be an ancient scar frozen
No
in time.
human or machine
It would be
has
an
ever been
unfolding
alive to
event,
witness such a
an
thing.
interstellar object colliding with a planet we are actively studying. No human or machine has ever been alive to witness such a thing.
This is not a
The
fragment
very
from the
nature
asteroid
of
belt,
3
or a
Atlas
stray
adds
comet
to the
looping back after
significance.
thousands of years.
This is not a fragment from
visitor
the
from
asteroid
beyond the
belt
solar
or a
system
stray
itself,
comet looping
like
back
Oumuamua
after
before
thousands
it,
of years,
and the comet Borisov
but a visitor
after
from
that.
beyond the
It
solar
is an
system
emissary
itself,
from elsewhere in the
like
galaxy,
Oumuamua
its composition
before it
likely
and the
carrying
comet
materials
Borisov
forged
after
in
that.
other stellar nurseries.
It is an emissary
Dusted
from
by the
elsewhere in
explosions
the
of other
galaxy,
stars,
its
and shaped by
composition likely
environments no
carrying
probe from Earth
materials
has ever
forged in
visited.
other stellar
To
nurseries,
collide with Mars
dusted
means
by
that
the
some of this
explosions
alien
of other
matter will be
stars,
delivered.
and shaped by environments no probe from Earth has ever
Delivered
visited.
directly to a
To
planet
collide
whose
with
mysteries
Mars
already
means that
captivate
some of this
scientists
alien matter
searching
will
for
be
signs
delivered
of past
directly
life.
to a planet whose mysteries
The
already
scale of the
captivate
collision is something
scientists
Webb's data
searching for
has made it
signs of
possible to
past
estimate
life.
with sobering
The
accuracy.
scale of the collision
3
is
Atlas
something
is
Webb's
large
data
enough
has
that the
made it
energy
possible
released
to
upon
estimate
impact
with sobering
would dwarf
accuracy.
even the most
3
cataclysmic.
Atlas is large enough that the energy released upon impact would dwarf even the most cataclysmic natural events Mars has experienced in recorded human observation. The kinetic force would gouge out a fresh crater visible from orbit, lofting debris miles into the thin Martian atmosphere. The dust could hang
The planet in
suspended for
ways.
months, perhaps years,
Our
altering the
rovers and
climate of the
orbiters will be
planet
in
in
perfect
ways our
position to
rovers and
record.
orbiters will be in perfect position to record. Unlike Earth, where atmosphere and tectonics erase scars over geological timescales, Mars preserves them almost indefinitely. The crater left by 3 Atlas will not just be a fresh wound but a permanent monument to this interstellar encounter. The scientific opportunities are staggering.
Every space agency with
instruments in orbit around Mars or rovers on its surface now faces the chance to watch a cosmic collision in real time. Imagine panoramic cameras on rovers catching the fiery descent of a body that has traveled millions, maybe billions, of years through interstellar space. Imagine orbiters mapping the explosion, then returning to chart the aftermath. From the spread of ejecta to the way Martian winds move the dust across the landscape. Each image, each data point
will enrich our understanding of impact dynamics, planetary geology, and interstellar chemistry.
planetary geology, and interstellar
Beyond
chemistry.
science, there is
Beyond
the drama
science,
of cosmic perspective.
there is the drama of cosmic perspective.
Humanity has always
Humanity
looked at Mars as
has
the next
always
frontier,
looked at Mars
the world
as
where
the next
explorers may one
frontier.
day step.
The
To know
world
that
where
such a planet,
explorers
so
may
close
one
and
day
tangible
step.
in our imagination,
To know that
is about
such a
to
planet,
experience a direct
so
strike
close and
from
tangible
beyond
in
the
our
solar system,
imagination,
forces us to
is
confront
about
the
to
scale
experience
and
a direct
unpredictability of
strike
the
from
universe.
beyond the solar system forces us to confront the scale and unpredictability of the universe. The cosmos is not a quiet backdrop for human ambition. It is alive with movement, collisions, and chance encounters that remind us of our fragility and fortune. The James Webb Space
Predictions
Telescope's
and theories
confirmation
across
that
multiple
3
scientific
Atlas
fields.
is on a collision
Mars
course
is
with
about to
Mars
write a
has
new
opened a
chapter in its
floodgate
history.
of new ideas,
And through the instruments we have sent there,
predictions,
humanity
and
will
theories
witness it being
across
written in
multiple
real time.
scientific fields. Mars is
Comparisons will
about
be
to
possible
write a new
down to the
chapter
finest
in its
details of
history.
topography.
And through the instruments we have sent there,
Scientists will be able to
humanity
match
will
features
witness
captured
it being
months before
written in
impact,
real time.
with those same regions transformed in
Comparisons
the
will be
aftermath.
possible down to the
It is
finest
rare in planetary
details of
science to witness a
topography.
controlled experiment where a massive
Scientists will
change
be
occurs
able
in a
to
place
match
so well
features
documented.
captured months before impact with those same regions transformed in the aftermath. It is rare in planetary science to witness a controlled experiment where a massive change occurs in a place so well documented. The juxtaposition of detailed before maps with the after crater and its ejector
Result of a
field
colossal
will provide a
collision
treasure
billions of years
trove of data
by
for
watching a
decades.
smaller but still immense
This
impact
event
unfold in
also
real time.
invites speculation about
Scientists
how
will refine
such
their theories
impacts
of how
have
Mars
shaped the
acquired its
history of
unique
Mars
surface
itself.
features.
The planet's
They
northern
will see how
hemisphere,
molten material
with its
behaves under
low-lying
Martian
plains,
gravity.
is believed by many researchers to be the result
How
of a
shockwaves
colossal
ripple through the
collision
crust,
billions of years ago.
and how
By
debris
watching a
settles under the
smaller but
influence of
still
thin
immense
air
impact
and
unfold in real time, scientists will refine their theories of how Mars acquired its unique surface features.
For astrobiology,
They will see how
the
molten
implications are
material
equally
behaves
profound.
under Martian gravity, how shock waves ripple through
Mars
the
has
crust,
long been suspected
and
of
how
once harboring
debris
conditions
settles under
suitable
the
for
influence
microbial
of
life.
thin air and constant
And
winds.
evidence of organic
It will
molecules
be like
has already
opening
been
a
detected in
window
its soil
into
and
the
rocks.
ancient past by watching the present. For astrobiology, the implications are equally profound. Mars has long been suspected of once harboring conditions suitable for microbial life, and
Foreign to the
evidence
solar
of
system.
organic
When
molecules
mixed with
has
Martian
already
soil,
been
they
detected
could create
in
new
its
chemical
soil and
environments.
rocks. The arrival of 3I Atlas means the surface will be infused with elements and compounds from an entirely
Scientists
different star
investigating
system.
the origins of life.
These alien
This presents an
materials might
unparalleled
include
chance to
exotic
examine how
isotopes or
biological
complex molecules formed under conditions utterly foreign to the solar system. When mixed with Martian
The high
soil,
velocity at which
they
3I
could create
Atlas will
new
enter Mars'
chemical
atmosphere
environments,
also ensures a spectacular
miniature
visual event.
laboratories where interstellar chemistry meets
Mars' thin
planetary
atmosphere
geology.
will not protect the
For
surface in the way Earth's
scientists
does.
investigating the origins of
Instead,
life,
the object
this
will barrel
presents an
through with minimal
unparalleled
deceleration,
chance to examine
generating
how
a fireball that
biological
will outshine.
precursors might form or interact when different cosmic lineages collide. The high velocity at which 3I Atlas will enter Mars' atmosphere also ensures a spectacular visual event. Mars' thin atmosphere will not protect the surface in the way Earth's does. Instead, the object will barrel through
This event
with
is also
minimal
forcing scientists to
deceleration,
rethink planetary impact
generating a
probabilities.
fireball that will
Until
outshine
now,
anything
interstellar
ever
objects were
recorded
considered
on Mars
statistical
before.
rarities, fleeting
Instruments
visitors
on
that pass by
orbiters,
unnoticed.
as well as
Unnoticed,
telescopes on
unless caught
Earth,
by chance
will be
observation.
watching for the
The
sudden
fact that one has
flare,
been captured
the
not only
streak of
entering the solar
plasma,
system,
and
but
the
also
brilliant
intersecting with the
detonation
planet's orbit
upon impact.
demands a
The
reevaluation
imagery
of frequency
alone
estimates.
promises to become
Perhaps
iconic,
interstellar
objects
a
are more
defining
common
visual
than
of
previously
planetary
believed,
science in the
and their
21st
gravitational
century.
interactions with planets,
This event is
with its
also
proximity and
forcing
openness to
scientists
observation,
to
becomes
rethink
a case study
planetary
in the role of
impact
galactic debris in sculpting
probabilities.
worlds.
Until now,
Play a larger role in
interstellar
shaping
objects were
planetary
considered
histories than we have
statistical
accounted for.
rarities, fleeting visitors
Mars.
that pass by unnoticed unless caught by chance observation. The fact that one has been captured
Interactions
not
with
only
planets
entering
play
the
a
solar
larger role
system,
in shaping planetary
but also
histories
intersecting
than we have
with the
accounted
planet's
for.
orbit demands a
Mars,
re-evaluation
with its proximity
of
and openness to
frequency
observation,
estimates.
becomes a case
Perhaps
study in the role of
interstellar
galactic
objects
debris in
are more
sculpting
common
worlds.
than previously believed, and their gravitational interactions with planets play a larger role in shaping planetary histories than we have accounted for. Mars, with its proximity and openness to observation, becomes a case study in the role of galactic debris in sculpting worlds. Blind recipients of cosmic happenstance, but active observers capable of recognizing the dance of celestial bodies with precision. The countdown to impact will also be marked by a sense of anticipation unparalleled in astronomy. Unlike eclipses, which are predictable and frequent, or meteor
Borders or
showers,
nations,
which
but by
arrive
the
each
shared
year,
wonder of a
the
cosmic
collision of
event
an interstellar
unfolding in real
object with a
time.
planet in our own
It is
solar
worth
system
considering
is
the
an event
scale of time
staggering
that 3I
rarity.
Atlas
As
represents.
the moment draws closer, telescopes across the globe
This
will be
object
pointed
has
at
likely
Mars,
traveled for millions of
and
years
billions
across
of people
interstellar
will
space,
know that they are
passing
about
between
to
stars,
witness a
drifting
spectacle no
silently.
human has ever seen. The world will watch together, connected not by borders or nations, but by the shared wonder of a cosmic event unfolding in real time. It is worth considering the scale of time that 3I Atlas represents.
The
This
coincidence
object has
is
likely
staggering.
traveled for millions of years across interstellar space,
Of all the epics
passing
of
between
history.
stars, drifting silently through the galactic void. Its journey has ended not in obscurity, but in a fiery union with a neighboring planet under the watchful eyes
That alignment
of
of
an intelligent
circumstance and
species.
capability
The
is nothing short
coincidence
of
is
extraordinary.
staggering. Out of all the epics of history, out of all the countless eons of cosmic time, this impact is happening precisely when humans possess the technology to observe it, understand it, and learn from it. That alignment of
To the day when a traveler
circumstance
from the
and
stars slams into
capability
the red
is
planet.
nothing short
Future
of
explorers,
extraordinary.
human or otherwise,
Looking
may
deeper
stand on its
into the
rim.
future, the
Sifting
impact
through the
of
fused
3I
remnants
Atlas
of
on
Martian
Mars will
and
leave a
interstellar
mark
stone.
that outlasts humanity
They will see in
itself.
it the
Long after civilizations rise and fall on Earth, the crater will remain on the Martian surface, silently testifying to the day when a
Webb
traveler from the
Telescope's role in
stars
all of
slammed
this
into the
cannot be
red
overstated.
planet. Future explorers, human or otherwise, may stand on its rim, sifting through the fused remnants of Martian and interstellar stone. They will see in it the record of a moment when the galaxy reached
Its
across the
instruments,
void and
tuned
left
for
its
sensitivity
imprint on a
beyond
world
any
we dream of
predecessor.
calling our second home. The Webb Telescope's
have not
role
only
in
unlocked
all
the
of
secrets
this
of
cannot
distant
be
galaxies,
overstated.
but have turned their
Built
gaze
to
inward,
peer into the
illuminating the
faintest
drama of our
galaxies
solar
at the
system.
edge of the
The
observable
confirmation of 3I
universe,
Atlas trajectory
it has
is a
also
testament to the
proven
telescope's
itself as a
versatility
sentinel
and to the
of the near
foresight of those who built
cosmos.
it.
Its instruments,
It reminds
tuned
us
for
that sometimes
sensitivity
the most
beyond
important
any
discoveries
predecessor,
are not in the
have not
farthest
only
reaches of
unlocked
space,
the secrets
but in
of
the cosmic
distant
neighborhood
galaxies,
we inhabit.
but have turned their gaze
The
inward,
collision course of 3I
illuminating the
Atlas with
drama of
Mars
our solar
thus
system.
Thus stands
The
as a
confirmation
convergence
of
of science,
3I Atlas's
culture,
trajectory
philosophy,
is a
and
testament
imagination.
to the telescope's
It is at once
versatility and to the foresight of those who built it. It reminds us that sometimes the most important discoveries are not in the farthest reaches of space, but in the cosmic neighborhood we inhabit. The collision course of 3I Atlas with Mars thus stands as a convergence of science, culture, philosophy, and
humanity will
imagination.
watch,
It is at
learn,
once a moment of
and remember.
danger, of opportunity, of revelation,
For all
and
the
of
centuries that
inspiration.
follow, the story
Mars
of
will
3I,
change.
Atlas,
The universe
and Mars
will
be
remind
told
us of its power,
As the time when
and
a starborn
humanity
traveler
will watch,
met a world
learn,
that humans had
and
long
remember.
dreamed of touching.
For all the centuries that follow,
And we were there
the
to
story
see
of
it.
3I Atlas and
impending
Mars
impact of
will be
3I
told
Atlas
as the
with
time
Mars
when a
is not just an
starborn traveler
astronomical
met a
event.
world that humans
It is
had
also a
long
turning
dreamed
point
of
in the way
touching.
humanity
And
organizes
we were
its
there to
scientific
see it.
priorities and
The
intellectual
impending
curiosity.
impact of 3I Atlas with
Now
Mars
that the
is
James
not
Webb
just
Space
an
Telescope has
astronomical
confirmed the
event.
trajectory,
It is
researchers
also a
are
turning
asking,
point in the way humanity organizes its scientific priorities and intellectual curiosity. Now that the James Webb Space Telescope
They are
has
beginning to think
confirmed
about
the
how this collision
trajectory,
fits into the broader story of
researchers
the
are
solar
asking
system's
questions
evolution.
that extend well beyond
interconnectedness of
planetary
interstellar
geology
matter,
or orbital dynamics.
and the
They are
profound
beginning to
role of
think
cosmic
about how
chance
this
in
collision
shaping
fits
planetary
into the
histories.
broader story of the solar system's
One of the most overlooked
evolution,
aspects of this
the
event is its
interconnectedness
educational
of
value.
interstellar matter,
Across
and
the
the
globe,
profound role
classrooms
of
are
cosmic
preparing to
chance
integrate
in
real-time
shaping
data from
planetary
Mars into their
histories.
curricula.
One of the most overlooked
Students will
aspects
not
of this
just read about
event is
impacts
its
in textbooks.
educational value. Across the globe, classrooms are preparing to
They will follow
integrate
along as
real-time
scientists
data
post
from
fresh
Mars
images,
into their
seismic
curricula.
readings.
Students will not just read about impacts in textbooks. They will follow along as scientists post fresh images, seismic readings,
For the first time,
and
young
atmospheric
learners will
changes
witness a
from
large-scale
orbiters
cosmic
and
collision
rovers.
unfold
For the
in
first
real
time,
time,
young learners will
building a
witness a
visceral
large-scale
understanding of
cosmic
planetary
collision
processes
unfold
that
in
no
real
simulation
time,
could equal.
building a visceral understanding of planetary
This
processes
experience
that
is
no
expected to
simulation
inspire
could
a new
equal.
generation of
This
planetary
experience
scientists,
is expected to inspire
astrophysicists,
a new
And
generation of
engineers who
planetary
will carry forward the
scientists,
lessons of 3I Atlas into
astrophysicists,
future decades.
and engineers who will carry forward the lessons of 3I Atlas into future decades. The economic and industrial aspects of the confirmation are also noteworthy.
Space agencies and private
Space
companies alike
agencies
are
and
suddenly
private
faced with a
companies
wealth of
alike are
opportunities to
suddenly
test
faced
technologies.
with a wealth of opportunities to test
Companies
technologies.
focused on resource extraction,
Companies
for
focused
example,
on resource
are interested in how the
extraction,
impact
for
may
example,
expose subsurface
are
materials
interested
on
in
Mars.
how the impact
A
may
strike of this
expose
magnitude could
subsurface
fracture
materials
bedrock.
on Mars. A strike of this magnitude could fracture bedrock, uncover hidden mineral veins, or melt pockets of ice that were
If
previously
humanity
buried.
one day seeks to
If
mine
humanity
Martian
one day
resources,
seeks
the
to
natural
mine Martian
excavation created by
resources,
3I Atlas
the natural
may serve as an
excavation
early case
created
study
by
in how
3I
impacts
Atlas
shape
may serve
access
as
to
an
buried
early case
reserves.
study in how impacts shape access to buried
The physics of the
reserves.
collision itself
The
presents
physics
a
of the
host of
collision
puzzles that
itself
WB's
presents
data
a
will help
host of
solve.
puzzles that Webb's data will help
Unlike
solve.
typical asteroids,
Unlike
whose
typical
origins lie within the
asteroids
solar
whose
system,
origins
interstellar
lie within the
objects move
solar
at unusually
system,
high velocity.
interstellar
The speed
objects
of 3I
move at
Atlas relative to
unusually high
Mars ensures that
velocities.
the impact energy will
The
far
speed
exceed
of
that of any
3I
similarly
Atlas
sized
relative
local
to
asteroid.
Mars ensures that the impact energy will far
Scientists are
exceed
modeling
that
how
of any
such
similarly
high-velocity
sized
collisions
local
differ from
asteroid.
ordinary impacts.
Scientists
Whether the
are
crater will
modeling
be
how such
shallower or
high-velocity
deeper,
collisions
how
differ
violently
from
the
ordinary
shockwave will
impacts,
fracture the crust.
whether the crater will be shallower
And
or
whether
deeper,
exotic materials
how
might
violently the
vaporize, altering the
shockwave will
Martian
fracture the
atmosphere for
crust,
weeks or months.
and whether exotic materials might vaporize,
These findings will
altering the
shed light
Martian
not only on
atmosphere for
Mars,
weeks
but
or
also
months.
on ancient planetary
These
collisions
findings will
across the
shed
solar
light
system.
not only on Mars, but also on ancient planetary collisions across the solar system. Mars lacks a global magnetic field, having only patches of localized magnetism. When 3I Atlas
Potentially
strikes,
triggering
it will
temporary
create a
magnetic
burst of
disturbances
plasma
detectable
and
by orbiters.
electromagnetic activity, potentially triggering exploring temporary magnetic disturbances
Such data
detectable
could reveal
by
how
orbiters.
impacts influence the
Such
interaction
data could
between solar
reveal
wind
how
and
impacts
unshielded.
influence the interaction between solar wind and unshielded planetary surfaces, vital for studying planetary habitability.
The biological
implications are equally fascinating. Some scientists suggest interstellar objects like 3I Atlas may carry complex organic molecules. If any survive the descent and embed in the Martian crust, they could introduce new compounds or reactions, enriching the planet's chemical diversity and offering insights into how life might arise under cosmic influences. From a planetary engineering perspective,
the impact serves as a natural experiment in terraforming.
Dust thrown into the atmosphere could temporarily warm or cool the planet,
or slightly thicken the atmosphere.
Brief
yet valuable lessons in planetary
climate dynamics.
Artificial intelligence will play a key role,
processing immense data streams from orbiters and rovers to analyze dust dispersal, seismic activity, and atmospheric chemistry. The event has also united global space agencies and nations in unprecedented cooperation, reminding humanity that the sky belongs to everyone. Mars's impending collision transforms it from a quiet world into a living stage for cosmic drama and discovery.